Hello everyone. Today we are going to read and understand a lesson whose title is Oliver in Trouble. It was written by Charles Dickens, who was an English writer. Charles Dickens was born in 1812 and he died in 1870. He is best known for his novels such as Great Expectations, David Copperfield, Bleak House, and A Tale of Two Cities. This story, whose title is Oliver in Trouble, is an excerpt from Charles Dickens' novels Oliver Twist. This story tells us about the life and times of Oliver, a boy who has no family. So, let us understand the story called Oliver in Trouble. Oliver Twist was a young orphan who lived in an orphanage which was controlled by Mrs. Munn. It so happened that on his ninth birthday, Mrs. Munn locked him in the coal cellar after giving him a sound beating along with two other boys. And he was kept in the cellar for a very long time. So, this is how he was celebrating his ninth birthday. Now, after some time on the same day, a man comes and he is known as Mr. Bumble. He was the beadle. A beadle is a church officer. He came to the orphanage to get Oliver Twist from there and bring him to the workhouse, because in England in those times there was a custom that children who were orphans were to be kept in the orphanage only up till the age of 9 years, and as soon as they reach the age of 9 years they cannot live in an orphanage. They will be transferred to the workhouse where they will be educated and given some training for any trade so that they can earn their living. After 9 years they have to take their responsibility on their own. So Mr. Bumble talks to Mrs. Munn, and Mrs. Munn pretends to be very nice with the orphans, and Mrs. Munn pretends to show that she was very sad at the departure of Oliver. Oliver Twist also behaved in a very dramatic and in a very fabricated way by crying a lot at the time of departure, showing that he was given a lot of love, but actually he was crying because he was ill treated and he was very hungry, and continuous hunger and ill treatment made him easily cry, made him to cry easily. Now, after this, Mr. Bumble takes Oliver to the workhouse. Now, in the workhouse, there were many people who were looking very harsh and cruel. So, Oliver was taken into a large hall where many people were sitting, and one fat person was seated in a chair, and he said that you are an orphan. So, Oliver started crying, and after that he was sent to a dormitory where he found a rough and hard bed, and there he slept while sobbing. Now there was very poor condition, very bad condition in the workhouse. The boys were fed in a large stone hall, and they were given very little and very poor kind of food. They were given one porringer full of gruel per diem. Okay, so the children in the workhouse remained hungry all the time and they were physically very unwell. So once the children decided that they cannot live in this manner and they wanted more food. So one big and tall boy said that he was never satisfied and his hunger never was quenched. So he said that in the night he may dream of having food due to hunger and he may eat the young boy sleeping next to him. Now they all the children in the orphanage had a meeting and it was decided that Oliver would ask for more gruel at the supper time. Now it so happened that supper time came and every boy was given food and they quickly ate that and finished that, and they signaled Oliver to ask for more food, and Oliver went to the person who was distributing gruel and he asked for more food, but that man behaved in a very cruel way and he aimed a big blow at Oliver's head with the ladle with which he was serving the children gruel. So in this way the story ends and we are told about the poor and pathetic condition of the orphans living in England at that time. Thank you and have a nice day.